Cloudy pool water can totally ruin your chill time, but getting it crystal clear is easier than you think. Alright, so first thing, always check your pH and chlorine levels, because if those are off, your water's gonna look like a murky mess. You want your pH between 7.2 and 7.6 for the best chlorine efficiency. Next, shock the pool with chlorine to kill off any hidden bacteria or algae that might be clouding things up. Don't skip cleaning or backwashing your filter. Filters trap all that gunk, and if they're clogged, they're useless. Make sure to scoop out leaves, bugs, or any debris floating around, because they mess with water clarity too. Running your pump daily for at least 8 hours helps keep water circulating and clean. Also, brush the pool walls and floor weekly to stop algae from setting up shop. Lastly, test your water regularly, like twice a week during swim season, so you catch problems before they get out of hand. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cloudy pool water is ignoring their pH balance, which can cause chlorine to lose effectiveness. Fixing this is as simple as adjusting pH with the right chemicals you can buy at any pool store. Another common issue is skipping shock treatments after heavy use or rainstorms. Without shocking, bacteria multiply and cloud your water. So, just add shock chlorine as directed on the package. The third problem is dirty or clogged filters. If you don't clean or backwash them regularly, they won't filter out debris properly. The fix? Follow your filter's maintenance schedule and replace parts when needed. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find steady work and build their reputation in the community.